world of coffee to experience.
So one of the man called Sufi says Baba Buddha.
This is roasted, this is without roasted.
And this is coffee flat.
Yeah, cold brew.
Okay. Hi guys, so we are right now at the world of coffee to experience coffee here in Chikmagalur. It's also called as Jayanti Cafe, and it's a very nice place.
So this is kind of interactive wall, like a wall first interactive wall.
Okay.
So where the farm pictures are there, if you touch here, it displays on this how was coffee discovered, how coffee came to India. It's like a little bit story of a coffee.
Okay.
So first, how was coffee discovered? Coffee was discovered in Ethiopia. So in the 15th century. Coffee was by the goat story. So the goat was eating the coffee cherry plantation. After eating that, it became activist, full of dancing. So it didn't sleep whole night only, it will be dancing only. And the goat man called Kardi, he also eats some coffee fruits and he feels some energy because coffee has more caffeine. And he has converted the coffee cherry into the coffee powder. So like this, coffee has discovered. Then how coffee came to India is from Arabia. So later we have the British too, they can't bring anything. So one of the man called Sufi says Baba Buddha, he smuggled that. And he smuggled from his walking stick and he threw to one of the place, and that place is called as of Baba Buddha. And across India, Chikmagalur grow coffee first. Like that, you can touch that. Coffee harvesting.
Ajit, go touch that.
So coffee harvesting season from November to February. Coffee harvesting season from November to February. Then pickupping of cherry. After pickupping the cherry, you want to put it on the pulping machine. So pulping machine is the process of separating the beans and cherry. After separating the beans, you want to dry with the suns around 1 to 2 weeks. Roast it, grind it, and pack it. Like this process, it will become. And these are some types of filters. South Indian filter, calculator, espresso, cold brew, pour over. And this is the coffee family.
Ajit, you can. Here. You could smell?
This is roasted one, right? This is roasted, this is without roasted.
And this is coffee flour.
This one smells like jasmine.
Jasmine and coffee flour is the same family but different categories.
Hello sir, good evening. So this is our experience zone. So where we brew coffees in different mechanisms. So this is called the cold brew. So where we add ice and some water. So this is the powder. So drop by drop it gets brewed, and it's brewed for about 18 hours to 24 hours. So what gets brewed in hot water and what gets brewed in cold water taste changes. So here acidity is not there. People who have acidity in nature, they can drink this. There's no problem. So this is a different kind of coffee. This
That's called cold drip.
Yeah, cold drip. So this is a French press. Where you immerse where you add coffee powder and add hot water. Leave it for 30 seconds and then slowly immerse it. Then the coffee powder gets settled down and the coffee liquid comes, and then you can just. So this is called as the AeroPress. So you put paper filter here, wet it, you add coffee grounds, 20 grams, add water and then stir it for 10 minutes, and then add water again, and then close it, slowly take out the air bubbles and this thing, gas, and then slowly twist it to your glass, and then slowly immerse it. This is how we do. And this is called as a pour over. So where you put a paper filter, put coffee powder, gradually it gets filtered and comes down, then you can have it.
Okay. Thank you. So we have ordered filter coffee, Vietnamese iced coffee, and Australian tea cake, and a paneer pizza, tandoori paneer pizza. So we'll just wait till our order comes. We had an amazing coffee and an amazing food here in the world of coffee. Hope you guys like this video.
Please like, share, subscribe our channel, Mariaji.